Good evening everyone. So I am Altenerin Delaro from Batch 4. So yung topic naman po natin today in September 3, ano ang pangako ni Kristo? Second coming of Christ. And ito po ay matatagpuan sa Acts 1 verse 11. Excuse me. So basahin po muna natin yung concept ng second coming of Christ. The second coming of Christ is the sudden, personal, visible, and bodily return of Jesus from heaven to earth. As he promised throughout Scripture, unlike his first coming in humility, his return will be in power and glory, bringing final judgment and the consummation of all things. This event marks the fulfillment of God's redemptive plan. Christ will raise the dead, gather his people, punish the wicked, and usher in the perfect new heavens and new earth. So, dito po, ang pinag-uusapan nito ay ang second coming of Christ. At talagang very crucial po ng part na to, no? Dahil pinag-uusapan ito kung kailan bababa at ano nga ba yung pinaplano ng ating Panginoon sa pagbaba ni Kristo sa lupa muli sa pangalawang beses. Dahil kaya nga nasabi dito, hindi ito katulad ng pagbaba niya ng unang pagbaba niya sa lupa, which is on his second coming. It will be unlike his first coming in humility. His return will be in power and glory, bringing final judgment and the consummation of all things. And Christ will raise the dead, gather his people, punish the wicked, and usher in the perfect new heavens and new earth. So dito po, no, talagang yung mga nagkasala, talagang walang pagbabago sa kanilang ginagawa o paggawa pa rin patuloy ng kasalanan ay paparusahan na ng Panginoon at talagang i-judge at doon na makikita kung ano nga ba yung gagawin ng ating Panginoon Diyos sa mga tao hindi sumunod at hindi po sumunod sa mga kagustuhan ng ating Panginoon Diyos. So kaya binibigyan tayo ng Lord ng araw-araw na pagkakataon upang tayo ay muling magkaroon ng kaalaman sa Kanya at bumalik tayo sa relasyon sa Kanya. So that's all everyone. Thank you so much for listening po. And have a great day ahead for tomorrow. God bless po. Bye-bye for now.